Okay, so let's continue. So the war was going on. All of we know about the First World War, है ना, 1914 to 1918. Central Power, Austria, Germany, and Allied Power. Again, I am repeating the name again and again that ताकि आप लोगों को अच्छे से याद हो जाए, है ना. Allied Power, France, England, Russia, USA. Actually, the entry of USA was the turning point of First World War. जहाँ USA ने एंट्री की 1917 में, whole the scenario was changed. And what happened? World War First was won by the Allied power. World War One was won by the Allied power, and इनका क्या हो गया? Game over. Fine. And the main story of the rise of Nazism and Hitler begins here after First World War. So I can ask a question: impact of World War First on political structure of Germany. What was the impact? है ना, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है ना कि इनका इम्पैक्ट क्या हुआ था. यू कैन यू नीड टू गिव 5 points फॉर दिस. फर्स्ट, emperor of Germany abdicated, means no king was there. National Assembly created federal structure of democratic constitution for Germany. People of Germany elected deputies for German parliament. Fine. Now look at here, German parliament again. What was this? Reach stage? Weimar Republic. Now remember the name Weimar Republic. Okay. The whole game was surrounding this Weimar Republic. So 28 June 1999. ठीक है. A treaty of peace was signed between the Allies power and Germany. No doubt, children, look at here. It is known as Treaty of Peace. Do you know what's the meaning of treaty? How many of you are knowing the meaning of treaty? How many of you are knowing the meaning of treaty? Treaty means in Hindi we can say it's samjhauta. Fine, children. So yes, an agreement एक sign किया उन्होंने. Fine. So no doubt it was known as a treaty of peace, but actually it was not a treaty of peace. Look at here, two symbols are there. Allies were smiling and Germany was crying. है ना? So what is the next? Treaty of sign or the Treaty of Versailles. It is 30% territory of Germany. Look at here, what was there in this treaty, na? 30% of territory of Germany, 70% of iron, and 26% coal was taken by France. 13% whole territory, 13 from the 13%, and 75% iron and 26% coal was taken by the France, Poland, Denmark, and so on. ठीक है? And the next very big thing was there. Germany was demilitarized, means वहां से military power हटा लिया गया. जर्मनी के पास अपना खुद का कोई military नहीं होगा. Allied armies occupied resources. रीच ग्रीनलैंड. ग्रीनलैंड वहां का बहुत बड़ा एक ऐसा एरिया है विच इज फुल ऑफ मिनरल्स. ब्लेस्ड है वहां के लिए. ठीक है. एंड एज अ पेनाल्टी जर्मनी पेड 6 बिलियन यूरोज एज कंपनसेशन टू अलाइड कंट्रीज. दैट्स वाई द जर्मनी टोल्ड दिस ट्रीटी, आई हेट यू, I don't like such type of treaties. Okay. So what did happen, children? In our daily life we can see if someone is means forcefully implemented something on us, है ना, no doubt for the fear or something else, डर की वजह से किसी वजह से हम वो चीज एक्सेप्ट तो कर लेते हैं, but what comes in your mind, किसी तरह ये खत्म हो जाए, या फिर उसके बदले में क्या होता है? क्राइम, है ना? उसके बदले में क्या होता है? क्राइम सीन्स कम. So same thing happened that time also. November criminals. Why they are known as November criminals? Because crime was happened in November. Yes, actually it was there. It was happened in November 1918. Look at here, 1917 World War first over. Treaty was signed, and बहुत सारा जो जर्मनीज थे उनके अंदर बहुत सारी क्या बोलना चाहिए, आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग प्रॉपर वर्ड, उनके अंदर बहुत सारे मतलब they were not satisfied, है ना? So now in their mind something was coming, that was what we could have won, हम जीत सकते थे, and such type of criminal type of things were rising their mind, and this was happened in November. That's why it is known as November criminals. Clear, children? So what was happened there in 1923? Step by step, 1914 to 1917 World War first, 1918 treaty was signed, 1918 November criminals, till 1918 to 1923 hyperinflation. Inflation means what? The rising of price of goods. धीरे 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 क्या होने लगा, सारी चीजों की जो prices थी, it was rising up, है ना? Okay, Shreyans want to say something? Tell. But beta, at the last in the class, last 10 minutes, we can use that, na? Whatsoever you want to say or you want to discuss in the class, please note it down on your copy. At the last 10 minutes, we can discuss. Fine? Is it okay? Or it is, you think that it is compulsory or the very important, you can text me. Fine. So the things happen just because of that criminals, that November criminals, and these all, the price of goods were rising up day by day, day by day. Okay, fine. In 1923, hyperinflation causes repaying war loan in gold. Means as a penalty, Germany had to pay a lot of amount to the allied countries. ठीक है, as gold. Now no gold left. France occupied Rhine, main industrial areas. Germany overprinted their rupees of currencies. Yes, this was happened there, है ना? I wanted to discuss such thing. Germany overprinted their paper currencies. उनके जो currencies थे उनको इतना ज़्यादा print कर लिया कि अब उसके जर्मनी में जो रिक्शा वाले हैं, जो घर में workers हैं, the maid, they had a lot of currencies with them. So as resulted, what did happen?
मैम ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो है वो किसकी तरफ थी?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं था, ऑस्ट्रिया था. इट वाज ऑस्ट्रिया. इट वाज एन एक्सिस कंट्री. ओके श्रेयांश. Okay, fine. So let's continue. So initially when it printed a lot of currencies, the rate of currency $1 is equals to 24,000. है ना? What is the at present what is the rate of a dollar in Indian currency? Children, I'm asking to you, what is the rate of a dollar in Indian currency at present? Yes, Shreyans, very good. Bolo.
मैम 76.
76 rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not 76 exactly. Sheetal?
Ma'am, 74.30 rupees.
It's 74.30.
Yes, 74.30.
सब गूगल करो, ठीक है? Okay, fine. Let's continue. So the rate of Germany's currency was going down by down, day by day, it was going down. है ना? Initially, when they printed a lot of currencies, it was $1 is equals to 24 marks. Fine. Then after, in 1923 again, क्या हो गया था? It was near about, you can see here, $1 is equals to 3,53,000. Then after, $1 is equals to 46,21,000. You can see here the rate of Germany currency. Fine. So day by day, the condition of Germany was being worst. So finally, one क्या बोलना चाहिए, Godfather came, and the Godfather was USA, United States of America. A little hope was there, and America wanted to help to Germany to again grow up. Fine, children. How it wanted to help? Financial help is the biggest help. USA wanted to give loan to the Germany. The Great Economic Depression 1929. Note it down, the Great Economic Depression 1929, USA wanted to give loan to Germany and he gave. है ना? Germany धीरे he means controlling his country's condition, and finally this thing happened. The Great Economic Depression 1929. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैम ने कहा था this is the chapter of rise of Hitler, and where is Hitler? Why Hitler is not coming yet? Keep patience, Hitler will come. Fine. These are the preparation of coming of Hitler. So again, no doubt this depression was happened in America. ठीक है? No doubt it was this depression. Look at children, this depression was happened in America but affected in Germany. Why? Because Germany had taken economical financial help from USA. Got it, children? Great economic depression. So it was happened in USA, but the effect was in Germany more affected. Germany was more affected. Why? Because Germany was completely dependent, financially dependent on USA. Germany पूरी तरह से USA के ऊपर depend था. Fine. 30 million shares sold on 24th October. Whose? USA. So USA, what USA did? USA taken back all the loans, stop financially supporting. अपना financially support करना बंद कर दिया USA ने. ठीक है? तो क्या हुआ? बड़ी बड़ी जो इंडस्ट्रीज थे, बिग इंडस्ट्रीज वर लॉक्ड अप. जर्मनी फिर से क्या होने लगा? अब जर्मनी की हालत फिर से खराब होने लगी. क्लियर? The Great Economic Depression affected on Germany. Industrial production goes downwards. All the industrial production goes downwards. Reason behind that, USA stopped financial support. Fine. People lost their jobs and work for VVV, matlab very low wages. And number of unemployed people was that time 6 million. And the crime rose up. Value of their saving decreased. Many businesses got shut down. Prices of crops getting means a level of crime rose up. How we can say crime rose up? Can you interlink? Can you connected this thing with current scenario? Can you? If you will able to connect this, then you will able to understand all the things what I'm trying to say. Whenever the financial crisis happens in country, what happens? The crimes always grows up. We can connect how? First of all, you tell me. आप लोग बोलो, otherwise I will call your name and you have to tell. Okay, Bhumi will tell. Bhumi Kochar, I'm going to unmute you. Sheetal is saying criminals murdered or kidnapped people for money. Yes, very simple thing. We can correlate this thing with our current scenario. Just because of this COVID-19 coronavirus, what is happening there? Can you imagine? Many people became unemployed, है ना? So lacking of money, lacking of unemployment, क्या हो रहा है? कोई किसी का चैन खींच के भाग जा रहा है, जो नहीं चाहता वो भी चोरी कर रहा है, मर्डर कर रहा है. So this thing is happening nowadays, है ना? So we can correlate this thing with our past also. So the means the criminal scene, the crime scene rose up. Criminals बहुत बढ़ गए. Unemployment rose up means beyond limit. Prices of crops dropped. Prices of crops dropped. फिर क्या होगा? In this situation, what happened? Now this time in Germany, democracy was there. People, what did happen? People started to shouting up, this government is not able to handle such type of condition. Government is the current government, whatsoever, what government was there in Germany that time? I told you, note it down, the name of government. What was there? Children, your participation is must, otherwise you will not enjoy, neither you will enjoy nor I. So your participation is must. Which government was there, Harit? Good, बैठे रहो आप लोग ऐसे. Yes, Raghav, I'm going to unmute you. Yes, beta.
Warrior something.
Warrior?
Something like that.
No, warrior नहीं था. Very good. इसको कहते हैं आगे पार्ट, पीछे सा पार्ट, है ना? It was not warrior government. So after this class, go to the portal and check it. Yes, Tanmay Jain, it's right answer. कौन सा था? बीमार. कौन सा गवर्नमेंट था? बीमार गवर्नमेंट था, है ना? And people started thinking that government is not able to handle such conditions, है ना? So in our country also, when we face such type of condition, what we tell? सरकार हटाओ. We don't want such type of government which is not able to handle this condition, है ना? सरकार हटाओ. हम लोग भी ऐसा करते हैं ना? तो same thing happened in Germany also. And what happened? The struggle for the democracy, they struggle a lot for the democracy, and finally democracy khatam. Democracy gone. Fine. Look at here, one person is smiling here, है ना? Now actually the rise of Hitler is here. 1889. Look at the name, note down the year. In Austria. Shreyans, it is Austria, beta, not Australia. Fine, 1889. A very young boy or the young people was there. He was observing all the things. Okay? And just because of these things, what was happening in Germany, being a German person, he involved in a politics. German Workers' Party. Fine. In 1999, a boy named with Adolf Hitler joined German Workers' Party. Fine. Later on, he just because of his performance, he became the head of this party and changed the name. Instead of German Workers' Party, he named it Nazism. National Socialist. How does Nazi party rising in German politics? Now the things comes in our mind कि इतना जल्दी से कैसे कोई भी पार्टी आकर के अपना रुतबा जमा सकता है ना? So in 1920 Nazi got 2.6 votes. The Great Economic Depression was there. ठीक है, look at here. Initially, Nazi got only 2.6% of vote. Then after Great Economic Depression was there. So Hitler as a leader, as a head of the party, Hitler promised the people that I will solve the problems of the people, those which we are facing in Germany. I will give you employment. Yes, children, it is the biggest thing. If nowadays some politician or the leader will promise us, will ensure us that I will remove this reservation system, है ना? What we will do? We will see the work of that particular leader, and we will faith on him or her, and we will suppose to elect him for the next election, है ना? Same thing happened there. Same thing happened there. Hitler as a leader, what he did, he committed the people that he will solve everything, unemployment, Great Depression and all. So the youth attracted towards him. And finally in 1932, Nazi got 37% of votes. All the youth was were in the favor of Hitler. Fine. Finally, and no doubt, Hitler was a good speaker. If you want to listen the Hitler's speech, you can go through the YouTube channel. You can search. You can found. है ना? Hitler became the chancellor on 13 June 1933, and यहाँ पे it was the end of democracy. It was the end of democracy in Germany. Finally, democracy was ended there in Germany. In which year? 1933. Hitler became the chancellor on 13 June 1933. In Feb 1933, German parliament got burned down. जर्मन पार्लियामेंट, वाइमर पार्लियामेंट खत्म हो गया. अब वहां पे आ गया था डिक्टेटर नेम हिटलर. Hi. The fire decrees on 18 Feb 1933 identified, suspended all the civic rights. On 3rd March, Enabling Act has passed and established dictatorship. 3rd March 1933, dictatorship was implemented in Germany. Note down the date again. Ban on all political parties. Up rather than Nazism, no party was there in Germany. ठीक? Is it clear? Hopefully, up to here all the things are clear, children. Is it clear? Up to here all the things are clear. Unbelievable. Is it my class? Okay, fine. So now if you want to ask something, you can ask. Yes, Shreyans want to ask something? You can ask because we have only 8 minutes in our hand. So if you want, you can ask. Otherwise, I will continue. If you want to say something. Yes, Harit, USA was central power with the gone with allied powers. It happens. Nowadays, you are seeing also all the things. If you see nowadays also, if one party is going downwards or हार रहा है, तो क्या होता है? Generally, what it happens? Always क्या होता है? जीतने वाली पार्टी को join कर लेता है. Fine. So same thing happened with the USA also. Later on, I will explain in detail. Is it clear? So let's continue. Okay, Tanmay is asking, ma'am, why USA after giving loan taken his loan? Tanmay, Great Depression word, have you heard? When I was explaining the chapter, have you heard the Great Depression? Actually, Great Depression was in USA. Got it, children? USA में हुआ था ग्रेट डिप्रेशन. यूएसए के बहुत सारे जो स्टॉक थे, शेयर थे, सारे यूएसए को सेल आउट करना पड़ा था. नियर अबाउट 60 मिलियन शेयर्स यूएसए ने अपने सेल आउट किए थे. तो नाउ यूएसए वाज फेसिंग financial crisis. That's why he was starting taking back all the loans which it was given to the other countries. Got it? That's why Germany affected a lot from this Great Depression of USA. यूएसए का जो ग्रेट डिप्रेशन हुआ था उसका इफेक्ट जर्मनी में इसीलिए हुआ क्योंकि जर्मनी वाज कंप्लीटली फाइनेंशियली डिपेंडेंट ऑन यूएसए. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? फाइन. So let's continue. Do you know this name? हजालमार शैशेट. बाप रे, कभी कभार तो ये भी अपना नाम भूल जाता होगा. हजालमार शैशेट. ठीक है. It was a person which was appointed by the Hitler to look after all the economic activities which was going on Germany. है ना? The main slogan was full production, full employment. And this was the manager, or we can say it whole soul Hjalmar Sachet. Repeat his name 10 to 20 times. You will get the name properly. Hjalmar Sachet. Okay, he was appointed by Hitler to look after the economic activities. ठीक है. In Rhineland, I told you Rhineland was occupied by the Allied countries as a penalty, है ना? As a penalty, they occupied the Rhineland. Rhineland was a means full of minerals, resources, बहुत fertile land था. उसको क्या हो गया? It was again occupied by the Hitler in 1836. ठीक है. Then the annexation program of Hitler was going on. Hitler started his annexation program, and one by one, he started gaining power just because of annexation of land, occupying the land again from the Allied power. पहले तो 1938 में क्या किया था? रीनलैंड को किया था, फिर सुडनलैंड को किया था, देन ऑस्ट्रिया और जर्मनी. One people, one empire, and one leader. One more slogan he was implemented was one people, one empire, and one leader. Fine. So, 1st September 1939. Now, look at here. It was 1939. The first thing comes in your mind, that was the Second World War. Whenever we talk about the dates are very important, है ना? In class 8 we discuss about the things that dates are very important. Whenever we talk about the dates or the years, something comes in our mind. Suppose 1947 सबसे पहला देख, independent year of India. 1914 First World War. 1915 Gandhi ji came back India from South Africa. वैसे ही 1939 बोलने से सबसे पहले the things comes in our mind, that is what? That is Second World War. It was the siren of Second World War. It's war time. ठीक है. The reason behind that, now the means overconfident. What it happened? This Hitler became overconfident कि I am occupying this, I am occupying that, ये हमारा हो गया, वो हमारा हो गया, और फाइनली उसने क्या किया? पोलैंड पे अपना नाजिज्म का झंडा फहरा दिया. So after this, वहां के जो लोग थे वो सारे गुस्से में आ गए, became very aggressive, and they announced a war. And this was the siren of war. And hence, again, Second World War started. This time, you can see here, Germany, Italy, and Japan. These were together. So children, tomorrow we will continue with the further topics. We have only 2 minutes. That's why I'm not going to start the next topic, because we cannot cover in 2 minutes. So it's your time. You can ask something regarding today's discussion if you want. No doubt. Don't want to ask something. All the things are clear, it means. Okay, fine. Keep making notes. Notes are compulsory because as you all know that there is a one column in your report card, copy correction. So you will get 5 marks for that. So tomorrow we will continue with the next topic. Fine. Okay, children, don't you worry. I'm not going to upload this PPT on your portal. It is for only for explanation. Fine. If you want, I will share another PPT, which is full of notes. Fine. Shreyansh, tell.